What is hell? And before we discuss what is hell, can I have some opinion about what is harmony according to you? I would not ask you to define hell. Can you define harmony? What is the meaning of harmony according? If I say this particular word, harmony, what does it mean to you?
Essentially a balance.
It's a balance.
It's a balance.
Balance
It is
between
in
what?
harmony. See, I'm in harmony with my surroundings. I'm in harmony with.
Yeah. So harmony is basically it in relation with a particular thing. Yeah, it could be with surrounding, or if is it right if I say in harmony with, like, you can say environment.
Yeah.
Okay, what would the more appropriate word? If instead of if I say environment, if I say, can I substitute it with nature?
Yeah.
Or environment would be proper.
Nature.
Okay, so harmony with nature or environment. What are the other things that you can relate harmony with?
If we take the case of our body, if it is
Yes.
related, then all our systems like circulation and other systems, 12, 14, whatever, they are all in synchronization with
Yeah,
the
so you say harmony between different bodily function.
function. Yeah.
Okay, that's a very right thing. Okay, anything else you can contribute? What else it could be? There's no chalk over here, no pen.
इधर रखा होगा शायद.
Yeah, it's here. Okay, so one is harmony of ourself with an external, like, substances, or with your environment, with nature. One is within. So one you can say external factor, one is intrinsic. Intrinsic factor and extrinsic factor. What other you can contribute to?
So many things will be there.
What would be like? Give me example.
There will be emotional there.
Yeah, so you can say physical and emotional. Okay, physical and emotional well-being, right? What else it could be? Anything else you can contribute?
Living with unity,
Yeah, living in unity, that's right. With what?
with everything like opinion, lifestyle,
Okay, like
health-wise.
no, like obstructing forces also could be there.
What
Yeah.
happens? We are a part of the family. We are a part of the society.
Yes.
So we need to be in harmony with each surrounding to become everything. Environment.
Okay, you mean to say harmony with the law? With the law? Can I say it harmony with the law?
With everything.
Right.
We
Harmony
need
with
to
all
have-
relationships also.
Wherever I am coming in contact with anything, I need to be in harmony.
That's
There
right.
should not be conflict.
That's
It's
right.
like,
So if I say
Actually,
harmony,
right way maybe synchronize your flow.
that's
with other
right.
flow.
That's right.
With other flow.
So if I say harmony, is this like, can I substitute a word like, flow? Okay,
Yeah.
right? Free flow,
Free flow. Yeah.
right? Now, if you're flowing freely, what is the first thing that you would experience?
Less resistance.
Less resistance. And if there is less resistance, what would be the first thing that you would experience in your life? Now, you say, I'll give you an example.
Less
You are-
stress.
What
Less
is
stress.
less stress?
Less
If you're
stress.
flowing freely, there won't be stress in your life.
Right.
Right? Second thing. It's a very good thing. Second thing. What would be the second thing? Now you are like, freely. You are abiding with all your relationship. You are abiding with all your families, with your laws, with your society. So what would be the outcome? Everybody is happy with you. Your spouse is happy. Like, your neighbors are happy. Your employees are happy. So what would be the result?
Support.
Peace.
Support.
Peace.
Peace. That's right.
And support.
Okay, you can say, I would say peace. Can I put happiness also?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else? Anything else? If you are at peace with yourself, if you are happy with yourself,
Then one is more creative, one is more productive,
yes, you would be more productive, right?
even more creative also.
Yes, productive, creative, both are like, meant in the same way. Okay?
Yeah.
What else? If you're productive and creative, can you feel complex? Can you feel yourself inferior? Can you have a low self-esteem? Is it right? अगर आप productive हैं, अगर आप creative हैं, तो any person, have you seen a person who does not have a self-esteem, like producing a marvelous piece? No, right? So your self-esteem.
Self-esteem, confidence.
Okay, self-esteem, confidence.
And ultimately success.
Yeah, if you have confidence, would you be successful or unsuccessful? Right? Is it right? Okay. So whatever parameters you have defined, okay, this is exactly the definition of health. So you can't say health is like just a coordination of it's just an mere absence of no disease, or where your mental, emotional and social well-being is well coordinated, or when you are in a position to work on each and everything that you are. So when you say you are healthy, you can't be healthy if you have less confidence. Do you understand? You can't be healthy if you are not productive. You say you are healthy, but if your deadline is reached and you are not, imagine you are not in a position to give a substantial product to your company, good result. That's not it's again a mental barrier. But then you can't say you are healthy. So earlier whatever used to be one frame of mind, now we have just broken down into all different fragmentation. So if you are healthy, I just need to go and see a doctor. A doctor would do what? He'll just diagnose me for my physical parameters. He will diagnose me what? He will diagnose me whether my blood count is proper. He will diagnose me whether my spine and the other issues are fine. He will diagnose me whether my this and this is working properly or not. He cannot do anything more than that. But health has got a much higher definition than that. Do you get? Are you getting it? So this is the reason you find a person is healthy, but he is not creative. You'll find a person, you'll come across the topmost executive in a bank, the manager in your bank or in your company. He is running 15 kilometers per day, but when it comes for a deadline, every time he is sick. Okay, you find an extremely creative person, but having 3-time divorcee. Do you get it? So when we talk about health, we cannot talk about 1D, 2D or 3D. It's like a total holistic scenario where your whole being is being registered and your whole being is being changed. Do you get it? Are you trying to understand what am I trying to tell you? So stop understanding health only in terms of your blood pressures, cholesterol, okay, or you're certain okay, I cannot sleep well, that's why I'm not well, or my spine is giving me a problem, that's why I'm not feeling really up to the mark. Health definitely is much more and much higher than this. Okay, now if I say these are all the parameters of health, so how would I correct it? Okay, the next question comes, if I define health as the amalgamation of all these terms together, all these parameters when applied together in a single person, that would make him or herself healthy. So how can I make sure all these things occur in my life? For each and every individual factor, you would need to, if you come across, I don't know if you all have been health freak and all, you will see every other day in your mail, on your mobile, on your newspaper or at your door, you will be having a person who is doing a workshop, about stress management, somebody about a lifestyle, somebody about nutrition, somebody about spirituality, somebody about how to be a leader. At every stage or every hour, you'll get an invitation to get involved into something like that. Now, if you get into stress management, the people will say, okay, whatever you talk about is spirituality, that is redundant. If you take a meditation workshop, you say, whatever you talk about, everything is more Maya, don't think about blockages or think into spirituality, think about chakras. When think about chakras, what about your physical, blockages that you have in your body?
Fragmentation. Yeah.
Then again the fragmentation, it becomes a lot more confusing, because when you try to get into the details of this, you'll find each line that you'll try to come across, instead of making you better, it will fragment your mind still further. Do you understand? आप उस पे एक मेडिटेशन वाले के पास बोलोगे तो बोलेगा कि ये तो आपको ब्रीदिंग के पास जोर दो, आप एक योगा पर्सन से पूछेंगे तो वो बोलेगा आपको ये आसन करना, दूसरा बोलेगा ये आसन से कुछ नहीं होता, आप दूसरा वाला आसन करो, तीसरे के बाद होगा ये सब कुछ नहीं करना है, खाली आप वो भगवान की माला जपिए, चौथा बोलेगा यू जस्ट डू चैंटिंग फॉर 21,000 और 1 lakh and all. So each person has got his own theory which he will try to sell, promote or provoke. Now, how would you come to a solution in that case? Tell me, what would be your solution for that? If that's the situation, what way you can work out for that? Is there a solution or no? First tell me, is there a solution? लेकिन क्या है? तो क्या है होगा? इस केस में क्या होगा? हाँ?
You should get the correct person, and your satisfaction is more important.
Yeah. First thing is that you're right. You should get the right person or a right program, a right person or a right program or a right you can say what you can say
Which
But right may be what is right?
that's again a confusion. That's again a topic of confusion.
On satisfaction means whatever you means.
Yeah, that's right. If I would put it like that. If my requirement is to take care of my at this stage I'm looking forward for expansion. And you give me the program which talks to me about the spiritual growth. So would it be substantial for me? No. Now at your stage maybe you're looking for the connection with a higher self or spiritual growth. I'll give you a program which will show you how to make from 1 lakh to 5 lakh. Would it be substantial for you? Okay. So what we do at a particular time, whether that is, whatever we do as a human being, we have to have a matching frequency with the opposite parameter. So if you feel your requirement is being met, you feel happy, you feel satisfied, and you would relish it and you will proceed with it. It's again free flow. Then you would be proceeding it with the full speed. But if you feel, no, this is not the thing, I have asked him for A and he has given me B, what would happen? Then again, it would be opposite transaction.
That is why what I think you should first analyze yourself.
That's
what is
right.
good for you and what is working for you.
Correct.
Because it is quite likely that alternate medicine and all this thing may have more than 100 therapies.
We are not here to discuss any alternative medicines. We are not here to discuss traditional medicine. We are not here to discuss diagnostic. We are not here to discuss chakras. Nothing. We have to come to a whole term which is health in terms of all this thing. I won't discuss anything in terms of chakra. I won't discuss anything in terms of
in the particular solution
Yeah.
to the health and harmony. There are what you said, number of training programs.
Yeah,
and all.
that's right.
They will give, this is the best solution, this is the policy. Then in that case, unless you try it out,
No, anything has to be experimented. Nothing can say, even if it's working for your benefit, if you have not experimented it, if you have not experienced it,
then you will not know.
you would not know. I have been telling 100 things. Okay, you start with kalonji oil. When you want to do, if you're feeling too much down, you do this breathing. Or if you are having an emotional problem, go for this. If you have somebody in your family who's having a very chronic problem, go and talk to a counselor. There are a lot of things. But unless and until you have, whatever suppose I have said about say 20 things, If you have experimented even 2 things or 3 things,
Yeah.
whatever I have told you, you know what this lady is saying, it really makes sense.
Makes sense. Yes.
Otherwise, what I am telling and what the other person is saying, it will make no difference.
That's
Because they see nobody propagates the wrong thing.
right.
You know, the difference between knowledge and wisdom is about experiences. And the more is the experiences, the better would be your success ratio in whatever you do in your life.
That's
And the reason between our health and the, like you can say 40 years back, or about your dads or about your grandparents, is what? They have experiences, all those things which we just talk about.
yeah.
Or we have just done it maybe for a month or 2 months or 3 months at the, you can say at the length, where they have been doing it at least from 20 years, 30 years or 50 years. That's the reason you see them. Your grandfather at the age of 80 still, he is eating sweets wholeheartedly, but he would not come, he would not have a single trace of diabetes. And the young son or the grandson, 25, 30s, and he is already traced with type 1 or type 2 diabetes.
Mainly because of lifestyle.
Experiences.
Experience, yeah.
Experiences. Our knowledge is greater, their wisdom is greater. And the difference between knowledge and wisdom is experiences. An experience cannot be occurred unless and until you have repeatedly taken a particular thing, or you have done an action for a number of times. So that's what say aman and just a talk, a bhashan and a gyan. What is the difference? Do you get it? So now what do we talk about it? Now if I have to define this health, and if I have to talk about getting all these parameters in my life, how can I do it? How can I do it? You see, every day we are having the quality food, we are having the fruits or the things which are organic, we are having the supplements, many of the supplements which we are getting, it's from the international companies and all. Okay, the medicines which we get it, or the tests which we are doing it, that is one of the best hospitals or one of the best diagnostic procedure. But still you see after every 6 months there is slightly borderline cholesterol, slightly blood pressure issues, or simplest if we talk about weight gain, or destruction of the eyesight, or simplest if we talk about hair loss, skin problems, okay, all those things, or stamina, energy level, okay, they are so much receded, which is really alarming as far as our races is, or as far as our generation is concerned. So what can we do about to tackle it? What can we really, is there a program which really exists, or there is something we can do about it? Any person would like to contribute? So tell me, if you have to define one thing that really makes you happy, what would that be? Anything, whatever level, it makes you happy. In whatever level, it makes you laugh, it makes you happy, maybe a joke or whatever things, like maybe food, whatever makes you happy. What it would be?
If it matches with my belief.
No, I'm talking in general. We're not talking about anything on the superficial level, and we're talking about whatever makes you happy. What is one thing which makes you happy? Going out with your family, spending time with your kids. Just give me one example. What is one thing that makes you all happy?
Going on tour, or going
Spending
out,
time with your family, with your loved ones.
Friends.
Okay, if I will generalize it, spending time with your loved
Family,
ones.
yeah.
So family bhi aa gaya, usme friends bhi aa gaya, sab aa gaya.
Visit to health library once in a month.
Okay, like getting information,
Yeah.
getting information to improvise your health. Okay, that's also a very good thing, right?
Means, good information
Okay.
At this age, because we are not going to college or school, it is my
Okay, so that means you're not going to like an institute, but still you're getting the best possible information.
So visit is once or twice here.
It's a must for you. Oh, that's a very good thing.
In a whole month, whatever stress, so it releases.
Okay, that's right. Stress has been relief. Plus, like if whatever is good or bad which is occurring in your life with the right information, you can correct that.
I'm getting good information.
That's right.
I give value for this institute.
That's right. Very good. What else you can say? What is the other thing which makes a person happy? What are the things which makes you happy? Come on.
To help others, because nowadays I see people are running.
Okay.
They have got no time to listen also.
That's right. Okay, that's a very good thing to make others happy, to help others. What else?
I get pleasure in coaching.
Okay,
In my
that's a very good.
profession, yeah.
Okay, very good. Like imparting whatever knowledge which you have gained over the years, you are imparting it to your other fellows being on to your students. What other things? Come on, all these guys are on a very higher level, nothing common. What are the things which make people happy यार? सब बड़े-बड़े संत महात्मा है, कोई जनरल आदमी है नहीं जिसको जनरल चीजें happy करती है.
Madam, in your last lecture, I got the best thing that you have said. That means I'm successful or I'm not successful. How I lead my life, it's not a problem for others. Whatever they point out me, it's their problem. But I know what I'm in the position, means what life I got. It is different, because all people will not become Dhirubhai Ambani.
That's right.
Because I'm leading the life, whatever problem I'm facing, it's for me only.
Yeah.
Because you are not facing the same problem.
See, each
And
person
people,
faces a different problem. So your answer would not be my answer. My answer would not be your answer. That's right.
Because you are facing and leading different life.
That's correct.
Regarding means comparison. to
That's
me.
not a question over here. So let's stop it. Let's stop it. That's not a question over here. This is here. My question is very simple. What is the thing which makes somebody happy? Any general thing which makes you happy. I'll give you like an example. I feel very happy when I go for a morning drive. It's my habit whenever Saturdays, Sundays and all, I get a time, morning I'm out for a long drive. It makes me extremely happy. It takes out all the long weekends or the working hours का जो कुछ भी है मेरा, it relieves me off. By the time after 2 hours drive or 3 hours drive, when I'm back, I'm totally rejuvenated. Okay? What else could you think about?
Happiness within the family.
Okay, that's very good.
See, this whole thing boils down. If I find that something is going as per my opinion or liking, and it is the person is getting happy.
Okay, that's right. That's right.
And,
That's very good.
Essentially, I think for his success.
I'll give you a small code. I don't know whether if you are on the WhatsApp, and I think this is one of the very famous video which has been nowadays circulated on the WhatsApp. Charlie Chaplin ka that's a famous video. There are 3 things he has said. शायद मैंने last workshop में भी शायद उसके बारे में बोला हुआ था. He said, whatever I do, okay, in a day, I make sure that I have laugh in a day. If I have laugh in a day, I consider I have spent my day properly. If I have not laugh in a day, I feel I have ruined my day completely. Okay. Second thing is what he said, I love to walk in the rain because when I am walking in the rain, nobody can see me cry.
Acha. Okay. Good. Very good.
Right?
Yeah.
That's a very good thing.
Very good.
Okay. And the third thing I don't know, I don't remember this always. Last time also I must have told you this. I remember always this too. Third one मेरे दिमाग से delete हो जाता है. I don't know what's the reason behind that. There are 3 things he has said which are very good.
Okay.
It's very appreciable. So, you want to do a particular thing. See, it's such a normal thing to walk in the rain. People may think, I'm walking because I'm enjoying it. But the thing is that I'm doing it to to take out all that, like vengeances or the inner feeling which I'm not in a position to ventilate in front of everyone. So when we talk about health, let me define it very, very simply. Health is, if I say this, दिखता है, okay. Should I take black? That would be more better. I think black also would be better than this. There is a word, you must have heard about it, if I am not wrong.
Affirmation. Yeah.
Can you define what is affirmation?
Affirmation is a positive state.
Nah, what is that? Yeah.
I agree with it.
You agree with. So what is affirmation?
Simple present tense.
Yeah, if I put it, it's a positive statement. Okay? A positive statement means what? A positive statement is what? You are encouraging or entrusting with something which is valuable. Like I would not drink from now onwards. Or I am going to take up this particular, anything with positive, I'll give more time to family. Yeah, it's encouraging, something entrusting, persuading.
It's something constructive.
Constructive, like persuading, improving, encouraging, right? So when you're talking about affirmation, these are small positive statements of sentences, we say, small positive sentences
About the present.
No, which helps you to build up your life.
Yeah.
Is it right?
Yes.
Or wrong? Anybody would disagree with that?
Right.
Okay? Why? How how can a small sentence can help you to build up your life? Tell me that now.
Say, look, it's like this. Whatever my thinking is, whether it is a good thought or it's a bad thought, my body is ultimately going to obey.
Yeah, so we say your body, let me come to it, your body responds to your thought. Is it right?
Okay, each and every cell of my body.
Yes, okay? Now, who's this? I'm sorry. Now, when we say your body responds to your thought, okay, so each and every thought, whether a positive or a negative, it will have certain stimuli or certain reaction which has been generated because of that. Is it right? Okay, true? Everybody would agree to that? If I tell you, oh, you are so smart, you're looking so handsome today, what would be the reaction that you would feel or that would be generated in your body?
Good, encouraging.
Encouraging. You feel your face would your face would glitter, you'll be. If I'll say you are good for nothing, you look horrible, what would happen? You'll feel sad. So what happens? So each and every word or each and every thought which has been expressed, whether openly, whether it has been expressed or that has been generated, या आपने मन में बोला है या आपने बोल दिया उसको, आपने सोचा है या आपने कह दिया, it generates the same pattern. अब मैं यहाँ पे ही सोच रही हूँ, मैं बोल नहीं रही हूँ, अभी मुझे लगा ये लड़का कितना गंदा दिख रहा है. Okay, sometimes we tell बच्चों को हम बोलते हैं, you do your handwriting is so dirty. The child gets really pacified. Do you understand? अब आपने उसको बोल दिया, अब वो बच्चा है, 4 साल का है, 8 साल का है, 12 साल का है, 12 साल का होगा आज का तो वो रिटेलिएट करेगा. आपने खुद की राइटिंग देखी है क्या? छोटा सा बच्चा आएगा तो वो क्या बोलेगा? This auntie is so bad, how bad she is telling me. तो वो बोल नहीं पाएगा, लेकिन उसके मन में तो वो जनरेट हो रही है ना फीलिंग. So we say every thought, whether expressed or unexpressed, produces the same result. Okay? And this is what the whole world, whether you talk about metaphysics, whether you talk about meditation, whether you talk about spirituality, और whether you talk about alternative medicine, हर चीज़ का फंडा जो होता है वो यही होता है. Can I broadly, can I put it into red so that you will understand it? Every thought creates a pattern, okay, and this pattern generate experiences, okay, and this experiences, if it produces, if it is a positive one, like you say, oh, you are so good looking, or you talk so intelligently, so what happened, a positive vibration, or like, you know, yes, it's like completing the circuit. और जब आपने यही चीज़ उसको बच्चे को बोली, oh, your handwriting is so good, so what happened, it creates like, you know, certain signals or certain irritation in the physical and the biochemical structure of your body. मतलब आपकी टिश्यूज़ में, आपके सेलुलर लेवल पे भी उस एक जो आपने छोटा सा ऐसे ही आपने मजाक में बोल दिया है, कुछ बोल दिया, उसकी नतीजे में trillions of the cells start responding and the child starts like, you know, feeling drained, like, you know, totally drained out. So we say these experiences create imbalances in your physical and biochemical structure at your cellular level. Do you understand what is the meaning of cellular level? मतलब आपके बेसिक यूनिट तक वो इंफॉर्मेशन जा रही है, वो पास हो रही है, आपको पता नहीं ये चला है, लेकिन आपका हर सेल उसको रिप्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, हर सेल उसको आगे ट्रांसफर कर रहा है. Do you get it? And this metabolic changes, when they are repeated over and over period of at a certain period of time, they result into certain physiological, mental and what do you call it, psychological changes of your behavior. Would you agree to that?
Yeah.
Okay, and this is what the precursor, or this is what the cause for every problem, whether you talk about migraine, whether you talk about heart attack, whether you talk about diabetes, or you talk about like, you know, bipolar disorder, hysteria, Alzheimer, everything is connected with that. Does everybody understand the reason, the cause behind it? Okay, we are not into any therapy. We are trying to understand at a very simple level from the 3000 million years ago till now. If you are a human being, that time if a human like, you know, had a life of say about 1000 years, and now today we are having a life of 60 years. Whatever God has gifted him, we are also gifted with the same thing. But why we are so immune to disease? Why we are so immune to stress? Why we are so immune to like, you know, fractures and this and that, where like, you know, that used to be maybe once in a year or maybe once in a lifetime, somebody here, every now and then you see somebody having fracture, somebody is having this disease, that disease and all. Is this understood properly?
Yeah.
Is there any confusion behind that? Okay. So now what happens when this changes or these experiences become permanent? So what would happen if this experience would become permanent? So what happened?
Bodily changes.
Yeah, that would lead to body changes. Like you will find whenever you would be walking, your knee would start cracking. Whenever you would be walking, you will find it difficult to walk straight. So you will walk slightly leaning forward. I am giving general examples so that it becomes easier. I can give you the example from the other parameters also, but then it will take more time for you to how those things would occur. I am giving you a general example which is very easy for you to understand. Right? अब ये तो हो गया कि अब ये changes हो गए ना. So if I have to like, you know, say, if this is the reason, so what we say in short, if these experiences have been altered, these experiences when they are repeated again and again, they are altering like your basic mapping. Like I'll give you an example. Suppose like when I was in school, we used to have a pattern, like I used to use a book, then after that my cousin used to use it, and then after my the other cousin, and then the same book used to be rotated. Now suppose I am the first one to use the book, how would be the book in what would be the the book into एकदम नई फ्रेश. 4 साल के बाद उसकी क्या हालत होगी? इवन इफ यू आर कीपिंग इट गुड, 6 साल के बाद क्या हालत होगी? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड इट? सो इट्स लाइक द बेसिक मैपिंग of something is been again and again altered. So what would happen? It will be destroyed, it will be distracted with every use. There is like if you say, if you rest, like you rest, if you use it, then also you you are distracting it. So ये क्या होगा? ये पैटर्न जितना रिपीट होता जा रहा है उतना परमानेंट होता जा रहा है. ठीक है, अब मुझे चाहिए कि now I have realized after 10 years of cholesterol and all, whatever medicines and whatever diagnostic treatment I have taken, मैंने 2 सर्जरी करवा ली हार्ट की, मेरा 3 बार इसका ऑपरेशन होगा उसका. Now I am realizing all these things are of no use, I should do something. So how would I do it? How would I do it now? So I have reached till here. Everybody reached till here only. हर बंदा यहाँ तक पहुँचा है. Everybody, every lecture you will come across, mind affects body, body affects mind, mind affects body, body affects mind. But how to control body, how to control mind? This would be, yes, this would be the simplest and the most powerful thing, if I am not wrong, you will come across in your life anytime. Okay? No theory, no assumptions. It will get right into the head and you can absorb it, and if you find it really beneficial, then you promote it further. Now, these changes which have occurred in your body is what? Because of a wrong thought. If I'll make it very simple, it's a wrong thought. Do you get it? Whatever has occurred in your life, that's nothing but a wrong thought. So what do I need to do it? Correct a wrong thought. Simple as that. Is it right? Now you would say, okay, correct a negative thinking to a positive thinking, but you know how difficult it is to correct a negative thinking into a positive thinking. Do you right? You do keep on meditation. आप 4 घंटे के बाद आपको 10 मिनट you get into that really the peaceful that feeling of blissness.
दिन में पूरा majority of thinking जो आता है negative.
Negative आता है. I know that. So even if no matter how good you are and how much you force yourself, no, I'm going to think positive, I'm thinking positive, but it's still we are all human beings. बोलते हैं ना मन चंचल होता है, आप कितना भी कोशिश करो, it will again get you onto a negative sphere. So what do I do then?
Replace it to the extent possible.
Right?
How?
Replace.
The thought mind has to be first calm.
काम माइंड भी होता है तो भी नहीं होता है. काम माइंड भी होगा तो नहीं होएगा.
Then the thinking, because breathing is going to.
Breathing affects to a particular level.
It's going to affect my thought process. It's going to affect my mind.
Breathing in one part, but that also it does not affect you to that level. I can give you, I have done 100 lectures on breathing, so I know what way, how much it can affect or not.
Mainly thought process ही change करना है.
Thought process लेकिन change कैसे करोगे?
वो करना है मतलब अभी suppose negative thinking आ गया.
हाँ.
I mean, just wait for some time. Analyze कि ये क्यों आया? Because
Analyze किसको करेंगे? Tell me that now.
analyze
No. Analyze लेकिन आप किसको करेंगे? Thought को नहीं, thinking को करेंगे, feeling को करेंगे, कि the situation which has been.
पहले मैं feeling आया thought की वजह से ही आया.
Thought की वजह से आया, right?
Thought को ही देखो, feel आ गया तो आ गया. See, मैं क्या at least I believe in this.
हाँ.
Thinking में actually positive negative ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं.
Thinking is it's an energy
thinking
pattern.
is thinking.
It's an energy pattern.
Energy pattern.
It's an energy pattern. It could be anything.
Yeah, but क्या हो जाता है?
उसका implementation
I give
हम
color
किस
to
तरीके से
that.
करें?
I give color to that.
That's right. Whether you're giving it black or whether you're giving it red, whether you're giving it grey or whether you're giving it white, that makes a difference.
तो एक वो सिचुएशन से मैं ट्राई करता हूँ इतना नहीं कि खुद को बाहर लेके आओ and see that situation.
Okay,
Better
being
to-
like, you know, instead of being a victim, be a witness. You mean to say that?
Witness,
That's
to the
also
extent
works out.
possible.
Okay, लेकिन वो भी इतना नहीं काम करता है, थोड़ा काम करता है.
And देखो कि इसमें कुछ लर्निंग है क्या.
That's true.
अगर पॉसिबल नहीं है लर्निंग,
देखो लर्निंग के लेवल तक हम जाते नहीं
जाते
हैं,
नहीं
हम
हैं,
सिर्फ
बराबर।
विटनेस तक पहुंचते हैं, फिर वो विटनेस के बाद फिर उसको बाद में एनालाइज करके आप चेंज नहीं करते.
Right, होता नहीं है. but
वो नहीं है.
बाद में टू द एक्सटेंट पॉसिबल एक्सपीरियंस कर लो नेगेटिव जो.
I'll give you a shortcut for this. I'll give you a shortcut for that. Now suppose you have come up with a very, like, you know, erotic, like, you know, negative feeling or negative thought in your thing. What do? आप change करो, ये करो, normally वो होता नहीं. I'll give you very simple advice. कितना भी आपका negative thinking हुआ है ना, don't think about it. Just replace it with anything else.
that is true.
Whistle, count, tap your hand, dab, bang, do this, खुजलाओ, anything. Let's just change that position.
But
The moment you
after
change your
some time it
position,
will again emerge.
let it be. But then it won't emerge with that power.
Distracted.
That you just the moment the mind is diverted, the thinking is diverted. Then it will come. I don't say कि वो
उससे
हमेशा.
वो निकल जाएगा.
हाँ.
दूसरे दिन आएगा.
वो तो थिंकिंग कभी किसी की कौन सा ऐसा बनता है जिसकी थिंकिंग आपने आज कर दी तो कल नहीं आने वाली, ये बताइए. वो तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ना. वो तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. I'm giving you, I told you, I am giving you a shortcut.
Yeah,
I'll give you what?
replace.
If you want to correct this wrong thought, okay, how would you correct it? सिंपल चीज़ है. अगर आप रॉन्ग थॉट को करेक्ट करना चाहते हो, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू पीपल हैव होर्ड इट और नॉट, हर चीज़ में किसी भी चीज़ को आप क्यों करेक्ट करते हो?
वो हार्मफुल है बाद में. end
नहीं,
result.
लेकिन आप हार्मफुल से पहले उसका क्या देखते हैं, उसका क्या फीचर देखते हैं आप? राइट एंड रॉन्ग. लेकिन कौन डिफाइन करेगा राइट एंड रॉन्ग?
Actually, you
See,
should not
wrong,
discriminate.
no. If I want to say, if a wrong thought has been done, okay, now see, if I'll tell you, आपका मेड है, आपके घर में मेड है या हाउस सर्वेंट है, उसने एक ग्लास तोड़ी है, उसने आपका कार का एक्सीडेंट कर दिया, आप उसको क्या करोगे?
पहले तो गुस्सा, इसमें शाउटिंग है, ये है, बट अल्टीमेटली बाद में खुद को ही रियलाइज होता है वो
खर्चा किससे जाएगा? जेब
Yeah,
में किसकी
situation
जाएगा?
तो बदलने नहीं वाली.
Yes, but the same thing, if your son would do it,
Yeah. वो सही
what
बात.
would happen?
गुस्सा कम होगा थोड़ा.
गुस्सा कम होगा. So what I say, if a wrong thought has been occurred, to understand a thought would harm you first and the topmost rather than the other person. So if you love yourself, you have to stop that thought at that time only, and that's what the reason when we call it love it. Like, you know, अगर हम बोलते हैं ना, देखो आप बोलते हो, आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा, like, you know, पेरेंट्स, हाँ, लव योर सेल्फ तो है ही. एक वर्ड है, देयर इज अ मैजिकल वर्ड, आई कॉल इट.
Forgive.
Okay,
Okay.
forgiveness. I usually define it as forgive, or I put it as forgiveness. Don't think about anything. Just forgive. Just forgive. क्यों? और ये forgiveness आपका उस वक्त तक हो नहीं सकता है when you love yourself, and the person who is doing it, you have a direct rapport in terms of love. आपका बेटा है, आपकी बेटी है, आपका एम्प्लॉय है, आपकी वाइफ है, तो ये चीज़ें डायरेक्टली इफेक्ट. व्हाई डू यू से इमोशन, हर मेटाफिजिक, आप विजुअलाइजेशन के बाद फर्स्ट इफेक्ट क्या? आपने प्लान किया, आपने विजुअलाइज किया, विजुअलाइजेशन के बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है? पुट एन इमोशन. इमोशन कहाँ से लाओगे अगर आपके पास प्यार ही नहीं हो तो? सी, दो चीज होती है, या तो प्यार है बिकॉज इट्स अ गोल, आई हैव टू डू दिस थिंग बिकॉज आई हैव टू बी लाइक, यू नो, अ मनी, because I have to get, like, you know, 1 crore rupees a month. So in that case, your goal is your love, because you love to achieve, to reach to that position, you would do that. You'll forget everything else. What happens when you are on a project, when you are on a meeting? Okay, सुबह से लेके शाम हो जाती है. Where you get the time for lunch? Where do you get the time for that? Where you forget everything, because that passion, that drive, that, like, you know, focus to finish up that project, to, like, you know, be perfect in that position, leads, like, you know, all the other things aside. Do you get it? सो व्हेन वी से अफर्मेशन, सिंपलेस्ट जो चीज़ जो हम बोलते हैं, ये आज की तारीख में इतना पॉजिटिव इतना क्यों हो गया है, क्योंकि हम बोलते हैं पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग करो, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग करो, लेकिन पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग ऑल द टाइम रहना किसी से पॉसिबल नहीं है. ओके, सो व्हेन यू लव योरसेल्फ or you love the work that you do or you love the person who has done it, you will forgive. You will learn the situation, you will learn this word forgiveness.
लव होगा तो forgiveness
ऑटोमेटिकली आती है, ऑटोमेटिकली आती है. एक लड़का एक लड़की प्यार करते हैं, आपको मालूम है वो लड़का ये है फलाना है ढिमका है, आप उसको लड़की को कितना भी समझाओ, अरे ये करेगा, इसके पास 5,000 नहीं कमाता है, बनाना, वो बोले कुछ भी होएगा, मेरे को फलाना भी करेगा, मैं चलेगा, मैं रहूंगी. बिकॉज व्हेन यू लव यू डोंट सी कि मेरे को कल वो बर्तन मांजना पड़ेंगे, कि लाइक मेरे को बस में सफर करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स एवरीथिंग गेट ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड. सो व्हेन यू हैव अ गोल, व्हेन यू हैव फोकस, नाउ लिसन टू माय वर्ड्स, लव, गोल, फोकस, everything comes to the other side. Do you get it? If you have to reach to a project site on the completion, which will give you say a turnover about 2 crore or 20 crores or the whole bungalows and all, would you think about, oh my knees is hurting, I should not be going? Would any person do that? Even if you are not in a position, you would have an accident also, you will walk with a walker and you will go there. Is it right?
बाकी चीज सब छोटी हो जाएगी.
So see what happens. So earlier, that's what people पहले आप अपने मम्मी डैडी को आपको कभी नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा कि भैया आप पॉजिटिव सोचो, आप ये करो. दे आर ऑल पॉजिटिव. इन एनी सिचुएशन जो होगा देखा जाएगा. हमको क्या होता है, छोटी सी बात होती है ना, इट जस्ट राइट बिकॉज द डॉक्टर से कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल इज हाई, आई मे नीड टू गो फॉर अ स्टंट और bypass. We take everything over here. And that's all the deterioration of mind, body and everything takes place. Do you get it? So if you want to be healthy in terms of everything, whatever parameters we have discussed, stress hai, peace hai, happiness hai, productivity hai, self-esteem hai, confidence hai, frustration hai, everything, total successful in terms of relationship, in terms of money management, in terms of the whole physical, mental, skin and everything, then you have to learn these 2 words. Love. You need to love. Forget about what the person is doing. That's what the universal theme of religion, of the universal. See, you may not be bothered, the other person may be giving you trouble. If you start thinking about contradicting and talking to him, giving him back and back, there would be always the contradiction. आप उसके साथ 10 मिनट आप आर्ग्यू करोगे, वो पूरा दिन 48 आवर्स आपकी पिक्चर, 48 आवर्स नहीं 90 डेज वो पिक्चर चलती है कि वो सिचुएशन में उसने मेरे को ऐसा बोला था, वो सिचुएशन में ऐसा बोला था, वो सिचुएशन. सो इमेजिन एक दिन में अगर आपको समझो 24 घंटे के अंदर आपका 18 घंटे आप उसके बारे में सोचो, तो इमेजिन द काइंड ऑफ नेगेटिविटी यू आर क्रिएटिंग. And how many times it is getting multiplying, and each negative reaction is it's a rope. Now I can pull it from here to here. If I try to pull it till here, what would happen? Yeah, and that's what is snapping is all your diseases, which we name it tumor, fibroma, cancer, whatever it is. The names are different, the cause is same. So if you understand this, there's no looking forward. Whatever you are suffering for, whether it is migraine, blood pressure and obviously then we have a systematic plan of action which we follow for each and everything. But the universal theme or the universal plan of action would be to love yourself, learn to forgive others. Because the moment you forgive others, that thing, this wrong pattern, why should I think bad about things?
It's important to forgive ourselves also.
Yes, that's true. नहीं देखो अभी क्या होता है, हमको क्या होता है, मैंने क्यों नहीं बोला, मेरे को उसको बोलना चाहिए था, तो वो क्यों आता है? Because the सामने वाला has pinched you. तो वो पिंची नहीं, आपको पिंची नहीं लगेगा तो you won't be then getting into that self contradicting mode also ना. So in fact when you forgive other, उससे ज़्यादा वो आपको benefit होगा. क्योंकि नहीं तो हमारे को क्या लगता है, अरे मेरे को तो उसको रहना चप्पल निकाल के मारना चाहिए था, मेरे को तो उसको ये करना चाहिए था, मेरे को तो उसको वो करना चाहिए था. So all that thing stops there and there. Do you get it? So this is, if you learn today how to love yourself, if you learn how to forgive, like others as well as yourself for maybe whatever are the mistakes or whatever are the wrongs that you have done to your own body consciously or unconsciously, you will find your thought patterns would be automatically getting changed. Then you may not need to just keep on saying, oh, I love myself, oh, my knees are getting better, oh, my bones are getting stronger, oh, I'm feeling better day by day. This comes, and actually speaking, none of us know what is true health or what is bliss really about. Because every time we are so entrapped into this circle of negativity. Maybe because of the environment, because you've just been coming from a traffic jam, because you've just been coming from a bad interview, because you just had a fight with your spouse or somebody on the road and all. So that even if you try to experience that, that becomes very difficult. So what we say, initially, these two words, written wise, these are the easiest thing. And these are the more glamorized word. अरे किसको forgive करने में क्या है यार, मैं तो हर रोज भगवान के सामने खड़े रह के ना बोलती हूँ, भगवान मेरे को भी माफ कर दे, सबको भी क्षमा कर. लेकिन वो आपने मुंह से बोला है, उसके लिए एक्शन क्या किया? That's also matter. So we see that initially it may be difficult. So what you do in that case, initially वो इतना जल्दी नहीं आता है, तो you can take certain small measure which may help you to get your process or path a little bit easier or a little bit more comfortable. And the most important thing in that, I give it to silent meditation or silence. Why is silence so important? Tell me. Whether you meditate or not, just observing yourself, silence for a period of, you may start from 10 minutes. Do it for 10 minutes really. Start from 10 minutes and increase say at least say about 30 minutes. What happens? What happens if you're sitting in silence for a while? What happens? Now if this room, you all can hear me. Why? Because everybody is quiet. And now you start saying something, you start saying something, you start saying something, you start saying something. Would I be in a position to understand what's been the question about? So silence makes easier what? Transmuting of energy. Okay? Easier understanding of things. See, nowadays we are on a run. We are on a go. Every morning we start with certain thing till 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, how much ever it is your working time. You are on a schedule. 11 o'clock office, 2 o'clock this, that, meeting schedule and all. So we are on a verge of finishing anything and everything which is line for the day. But we don't know what exactly is the importance of that, whether that thing which you are doing it is really going to help you for your profession, for your personal life, for your relationship or not. We just want to finish it because that's a schedule. अब सुबह में ऑटो आपको 7 बजे जाना ही है. आपको मालूम है 7 बजे आपको ट्रैफिक मिलेगा तो भी आपको 7 बजे निकलना है. At the most you can 7 की बजाय 7:30 बजे निकलते हो. But आधा 1 घंटे की हेरा फेरी के अलावा आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. So day by day, when you started your mission or your goal, your intention was X. After 2 months, it's why? After your intention is different, your goal is different, and you are falling apart, which is anywhere. But you do not have the time because you cannot have that much vision to sit down and line, chop out what is required, what is not required. So when we say, when you sit down in silence, is that the silence works at 3 levels. 1, 2, 3. First time when you're sitting for the silence, maybe I have never sat in the silence. So first time when I'll be sitting down, it would be just relaxing. आपको कुछ नहीं होगा. You'll feel just good. Maybe you would not feel also good. Maybe you will feel bored initially. But initially, if you have a little bit faith about yourself and you're really keen on your health or general issues that you say there are issues which are recurring in your life, you're trying to put an effort, somewhere you get some 10% result, then you get stuck up, but another 10-20%, then you get stuck up and all. Try this. First few days you'll find just relax. You'll find it's very relaxing. You'll find your sleep has become better. You'll find your traumatic areas, maybe your spinal issues or your knee pain, all the other things are getting a little bit better and all. Second thing, your body, your physique, your body would start talking to you. Third is, we say, we say the moment you are done, for 2 days you are standing in front of God, third day you want God to come down and hug you. Do you get it? The पहली बार जब आप first few days, this is all continuous journey. इसमें आप define नहीं कर सकते आपको 10 दिन करना है, 12 दिन करना है, 2 महीने होता है,
रिलैक्स करना है तब क्या करना है मतलब अभी because
कुछ नहीं करो, कुछ नहीं करो.
Immediately thought will come.
Let it be, let it be.
So you have to go and understand those thoughts or
nothing. If you want to understand it, then say let it go. Let it come, let it go. You want to understand it, whatever it is.
Okay.
No general rule. In the initial thing, just observe silence. Okay? Nothing. We just say try to be surrounded at a room and preferably do it at a time which is constant.
क्या होगा? I mean, start with one thought. एंड कहाँ होगा पता नहीं
तो वही चीज होती है. हमने शुरुआत कहाँ से की थी, हमारा गोल क्या था इनिशियली, वो गोल से निकल के हम किस गोल पे पहुंच गए हमें खुद नहीं पता. तो when you do this process, we say it's a journey which give you different where you halt at different station. Each station will guide you to a further path which you may not have thought about. Okay, because these are all energy transfer. You don't know what would occur at what particular level.
One way will be you close your eyes.
Nothing. You close your eyes, you open your eyes, nothing like that.
और सांस के ऊपर ध्यान दो या
you can do it whatever way.
Okay.
You can do whatever. The only thing is that you have to be mindful. You should not be sleeping. This 10 minutes, whenever you do silent meditation, you should not be sleeping. You have to be aware. You may feel certain time you'll feel drowsy, but in that drowsiness also, but your senses would be awakened. If you feel your drowsiness has come to that stage where you feel you are absolutely certain time, it happens to people who have got so much their body pain or their life has been so much traumatic. First few days they will sleep like anything. They will sleep like babies. So first 2-3 days, okay, they can do that. But then after 2-3 days, if you are sleeping, then you are making fun of yourself. Then you are not on a journey. You are on a just a time pass. Okay, so whether you observe your breath or whether you don't observe it, whether you observe your thought pattern, it's immaterial. It's totally immaterial. It will itself give you the direction. There is a phase which will come, which will let you, your whole mind would be, you'll feel yourself mind getting elevated above your thought. Do you get it? And when your mind would get elevated above your thought, you would understand what your goal, where did the problem arise, and now to get rid of a problem, what you should be doing. It could be a problem, it could be a health condition, it could be a relationship issue, but mostly it works everywhere. So when you say first time, it's you are just slowing down your system. That's what we say, relaxation. Your systems are slowing down. If you have been taking not quality time off and all, what it does not matter. But this has to be repeatedly done every day. Then second time your body would start speaking. See, first time this thing has occurred. First time you had a heart attack. What was the situation? You knew from 15 days you didn't have a sleep. Okay, 20 days you were out partying around with that friends, things and all. So, you get strict, the whole picture comes. The whole clear picture comes with the right, highlighting signals. And from there, if you are on the right track, it will be the cause and the effect. The cause and the effect. If this was a cause, okay, partying for 20 days, or like not listening to your spouses for a longer time, or not paying time to your family. Now this is supposed to be the overcome. So now what next? Give 10 minutes to family every day, 20 minutes, like work for more constructive. Last time का आपका project नहीं मिला आपको, तो अभी आपको दूसरे project पे जाना है. So every day constructively, like think about new ideas, get more information, get the like-minded people who are involved in the thing. It all becomes very, very obvious. So whatever you would go.
So you have to take one issue or something, or no?
Keep your mind blank.
Keep it all comes. Sometimes it comes one issue at a time, sometimes we say like it's multiple. But we always suggest taking one thing at a time. Because ये क्या होता है, आपने 5 इश्यूज लिए, अब 5 में से ऑब्वियसली 5 तो एक साथ सॉल्व नहीं होंगे, तो आपको 2 सॉल्व होंगे, 1 सॉल्व होगा, और फिर उसमें क्या होता है, देन अगेन दैट इज समथिंग वी कैन से प्लान, प्रोड्यूस, पब्लिश, प्रमोट एंड प्रिंट. सो वो पूरा प्रोसेस जब तक नहीं होता है ना, इट्स लाइक स्टिल हाफ लिव. सो डोंट डू दैट. ओके, सो विद दिस, like if you do this silence, many people find this like very boring thing. Then what do I suggest? Although for me this is my favorite and I would still like suggest everybody to go for it. अगर फिर भी अगर आपको ये चीज़ नहीं होती है, then what are the other parameters that you can add on to give you the result, especially in terms of physical problem? Instead of music, I am personally of this. This gives you very good results. Color or sound. Therapy means you could just like maybe just spend 10 minutes at the seashore. Okay, use like particular color, whichever you are comfortable with, which you feel like get in tune with आपका goal के हिसाब से आपको जो सूट करता है. You can have enlightening music. For 10 minutes daily, आपको वो ऐसे boring लगता है, to 10 minutes daily, like have a soothing music and all, or anything else. But these things also like would be really good. Or we say like even auto writing. You know what is auto writing?
Doodle, not doodle.
It's like
Whatever comes to your mind.
Yeah, whatever comes to your mind every day, like without thinking, you write down certain things and make it a pattern to do it every day. So slowly you'll find like whatever is a problematic area, you are getting onto problematic area, then slowly you're getting the answer also for that. So with this, like you'll find the things are getting easier and easier. And whenever you are implementing all those things in your life, you see you are having. If you are doing meditation every day, meditation is also very important. If you put any of this thing in your life, you will find slowly, everything, whatever you counted on, that is getting harmony, like proper harmony or proper balance in your life. The issues between your confidence and your presentation, the issues between your, like you can say your muscles and your, like you can say your ligament, or your physique and your psychological character, everything would be coming to an end. So issue is, whatever is the issue, it is always related with harmony. The moment harmony, obviously like that circuit has been broken down, you'll find it will be reflecting in your health. And the moment it has been complete, like your health also would be restored. So with this, we'll end today's session. If there is any question, you can stay, otherwise you can